your church shine as your bride, that you soar in your heart as you offer up your life. And now the lost be welcomed home by the saved and redeemed, those adopted as your own. And now our husband will flee, a fire consuming all for your son's holy name. And with the heavens we declare, you are our King. We love you, Lord. We worship you. You are our God. You alone are good. You asked your Son to carry this, the heavy cross. Now weight of sin. So I love you, Lord, and I worship you. Hope which was lost now stands renewed. I keep my life to honor these, the love of Christ, the